Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about gift card arbitrage opportunity. First thing you need to do is come to this mtc.game.com. Meanwhile, anything you watch in this video is educational purpose. Do your own research before you take any step. Don't just rush into this. So make sure you stick around at the end of this video for you to understand what I'm talking about. You have to come over here at this platform mtcgame.com. Then you need to come over here to this profile and sign up for this and on this platform. After doing this, you can sign up with your Facebook or your Google account. Then after doing this, you just need to come to this discover. And after pressing the discover, you need to scroll down and find this gift card option over here. Stream and Xbox and Netflix and iTunes and Google card. You say there is this 40 premium card. So this iTunes card is more popular than other card over here. Then you need to go with this option. After going with this option, you want to buy United Arab Emirates and currency, the gift card. So we are going to select this option. Select your iTunes card, gift card. After selecting this, you need to choose if you want to buy this gift card or maybe 100 AED worth of naira, equivalent of 12,817 naira. So you need to decide if you want to buy this coin, this coin at this price. After you decide to buy this 100 AED, then you press continue. This chart, the actual amount you want to buy. Then you go to this option over here, this chart. Go here, go to chart. After you press this, it's going to bring you here to this page. You press I have read, you agree. Then you have to input your email if you want to buy this at this moment. Then you need to go to payment. If you want to continue, if you don't want to buy right now, you just press continue shopping. So let us, for instance, you want to buy now, you just need to go with this option, go to payment. So please select the payment mode to see the commission rate and total fee. So you can buy this with this credit, debit card, e-wallet and bank transfer. So you need to select the payment mode you want to buy. You see 80% commission rate, bank transfer 80% commission rate, card you see 0 commission rate. So it's either you want to use Visa and debit card in this bank, or you want to use Google Pay or Apple Pay. So if you are using Android, you can connect your card, Nigeria card, to this Google Pay, and you can if you are using iPhone, you can connect your card to this Apple Pay, so you can make this payment through your Apple Pay. I'm just going to go with this Apple Pay because I'm using iPhone. Make sure you notice the amount we are spending over here. If you see commission rate 0.00, we are not paying any commission on this trade. We are just paying 74 naira on processing fee. So we need to go to another platform to buy. After you complete this transaction, you just need to go to this website, Coin Cola. Then you need to buy the 100 worth of AUD you bought on the platform. You just need to buy BTC with it. So you just need to select this all currency, just press AED and press continue. Payment mode, iTunes card. Continue. You need to press search. These are the people that they want to sell at this rate. Make sure you do your own research, then you agree to do this and you know what you are doing. So you need to go with this option, buy. Meanwhile, remember you need to register on this app for you to be able to sell your gift card on this website. So after doing this, you just need to press the amount you want to sell. So as you can see, the quality and the quantity of Bitcoin you will be getting is 0.00130018. So take note of this. I'm just going to paste and copy this. Then last thing we need to do now, we need to go to Binance. We need to go to Binance now to go to this P2P option. If you are familiar with this Binance, let me just go back. Binance on the dashboard, come to this P2P. I'm going to press this again. 15,000. I'm going to go with this option again and press the amount of BTC we will receive on the platform when we sell our gift card. So we will be receiving 17,383 naira. So let me go minimize again to check this. Maybe I'm right on this. You see, this is the amount we will be getting when we sell our AED currency, the gift card on this platform. If you see this, we bought 12,892 naira worth of iTunes card. Then we sell the BTC at the rate of 17,383. Let me go to this calculator. 17,383 minus 12,800. I could not remember, but like this, then we are making a profit of 4,493. So if you do this 10 times a day, if you do this 2 times a day times 2, this 8,986. Let's say this slow, then you are able to do this 2 times a day times 30. That's 269,000 naira in a month profit. How you can do this? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification bell. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step on this. My own is just to give you an information to update you how to do this, and it's left for you to make a solid research. So don't take this as financial advice. If you get value in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.